Cup of tea.
Morning.
All right. Nice day for it. Nice tea.
Nice t-shirt. Keep it to yourself, but I've got just what you need. Surf. It's got stain digesters, just like the high-priced powders. Even rescues the kids' dungarees. And leave it offer a money-back guarantee, which is more than I'll get with my windows. Mr. Bit, that'll be the day. How long's she been here?
Only Batchelors Cup of Soup comes in granules. They not only give you a thick, tasty, satisfying soup, but dissolve completely. So even if your film has an extremely sloppy ending, your cup of soup won't.
You only get a hug
from a bachelor's mug.
Today's Lux is a whole new shower and bath range, dedicated to making your skin feel beautiful. And when you feel beautiful, anything's possible. Bring out the star in you with the new Lux skincare range.
This takes me back to my childhood. Steamed sponge pudding smothered in a sea of Lyle's golden syrup. Made from pure cane sugar by Tate Lyle, the only cane sugar refineries in Britain. I used to think the sponge was only there to mop up the syrup, but made properly, it can be a masterpiece. You'll find the recipe on packs of Tate Lyle granulated sugar. Of course, the trouble with being a kid, your mum would never let you lick the spoon. Smile, it's Tate Lyle.
Discover the secret of Atlantis, new from Lynx.
When crunchy roast nuts and delicious smooth chocolate collide inside M&Ms, prepare for a taste explosion!
As easy as this or this to know whether you're pregnant or not, thanks to the Predictor home pregnancy test. It's so easy, so reliable. Just remove the cap, pass water over the tip for a second, close and wait for a few minutes. Predictor, a pregnancy test that's easy peasy.
Mrs. Alcott thought she'd never do such a thing, but she did.
I did.
So she thought Mr. Alcott ought to do it too. Bird's Eye Panflair is a brilliant new way to cook. Tender chicken breast, vegetables and a mild curry sauce, all freshly frozen by Bird's Eye. Just add milk and stir.
I did it.
Do it with Panflair from Bird's Eye.